recipe scones.
So our ingredients are 5 cups of flour, 375 milliliters of milk, 250 grams of margarine, 3 large eggs, half a cup of sugar, 6 teaspoons of baking powder, and finally 5 milliliters of vanilla essence. First, we add the dry ingredients. Kelly pass over the baking powder. Add flour and baking powder. Next, the sugar. Combine baking powder, sugar and flour. There we go.
Don't forget to wash your hands. Okay, that's good. So now it's time for us to rub the flour. So now it's time for us to rub the butter. It feels amazing. So now rub it. This is my favorite part, flour and the dry ingredients with the butter. So now rub them.
Don't forget to preheat your oven at 180 degrees.
Rub-a-dub-dub, rub-a-dub-dub, flour in the bowl. Rub-a-dub-dub, rub-a-dub-dub, flour in the bowl. Now we're pouring in the wet ingredients. So now let's put in the eggs first. Next, we're going to pour in the milk. Next, we're going to pour in the vanilla essence. So now it's time for us to mix. I'm using a spatula to mix. Mix it up until it's fine.
So now we are done kneading the dough. First, we grease the pan. Get your brush, dip it in the oil, begin to brush up and down. Up and down, up and down. Up and down, up and down. That's enough. Sprinkle some flour on the counters.
We have snow in our kitchen.
Ooh! Sprinkle some more. Thank you. We're gonna roll the dough.
We're rolling the dough.
Roll it until it's a nice thick layer. Next, get your cup. Sprinkle some flour on the counter. Take your cup. Or you can use a cookie cutter. Then you press the cup on the dough and start making circles.
So now we're going to put our scones on our pan. So take them out and put them on the pan.
Add one by one. Now we'll take the dough into the oven.
So now we're done with our scones.
Now we're gonna taste. 3, 2, 1, go. Don't forget to drink it with hot chocolate. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell icon down below. Bye bye.
Bye. Scones.
Kyle, I tell us this to go watch my scones.
Let's
Taste it.
I think we should open up a cake business.